We're gonna go through a tunnel pretty soon. Woo! Oh, it's so dark. Oh, it's bumpy, huh? See, that's where we were eating lunch over there. Right over there. With the horses. Are they horses or lions? They're horses? Yeah, I think you guys are right. Okay, now, what are we coming up to now? Elias, what are we coming up to now? We're slowing down. What do you think? Are we coming up to a railroad crossing? Yeah! And then we're going to go around one more time. And then we stop here. What's going on? Now we're going to go again. Woo-hoo! We're going to go around one more time. Are you guys having fun? Is this fun? Yeah. No, not yet, bud. We're going to go one more time. Are we going to go through that dark tunnel again? Do you think we're going to go through the tunnel again? Yeah. Yeah. Is it going to be dark again? Are they having... Oh, yeah. That must be one that they're fixing, huh? Are they fixing it? Why are you scooting away, bud? Here we go. Oh! It's dark again. Elias, which car are we in? We're in the caboose. We're in this car. What color is it? Yeah. And it's the is it the caboose? Are we at the very end? Yeah. Okay. We're coming to that railroad crossing again, I think. What do we do at the railroad crossing? We get well, no, not at the railroad crossing. We stop at the railroad crossing, and then we get off at this train station, right?
We go up. Ding ding.
Ding ding. Yeah, we're gonna get off and let the next group have a turn. Was that fun? Yeah. Yeah. There's a whole nother group waiting. Train crossing? Yep. Okay, here we go. We're at the station. Yay!